In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects on CapCut PC. So first, you can see I open PC CapCut on my PC. Now I already add a video on my timeline. Again, purpose this one. Now you need to click on this effect option. So here is the lots of effects. You can new year, classic, new hits, outro, and intro, etc., etc, and you can add any one example purpose. If I add this one, just first you need to download. Okay, I already click. I need to wait few seconds for processing. Just drag and drop on your video first, then okay, this is a full video. Okay, I add on my video. If I playing this video, then select my at the first moment. In today's demo, you can see it's already working as a. So this is the method how you can add effects on your video on CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.